let's see this navigation, new mail notification, and Windows control. Let's start navigation. So if we click on like this one and see, after some time we will listen this sound again and again. So now we have to remove this sound to none. Thank you.